How to view responses on Google Forms on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to check and review submitted responses directly from your PC. First, open Google Chrome on your Windows 11 PC. From there, go to forms.google.com and log into your account if you are not already signed in. At this point, click on the form you want to check responses for from your list of forms. From there, click on the Responses tab at the top of the form. After that, you will see a summary view showing charts and graphs based on all submitted responses so far. In the next step, click on the Question tab if you want to see responses broken down individually by each question. From there, scroll through to view how respondents answered each specific question in the form. Once done, click on the Individual tab if you want to see complete responses from one person at a time. Following this, use the arrows at the top to navigate between different individual responses. From here, if you want to view all responses in a spreadsheet format instead, click on the green Sheets icon at the top right of the Responses tab. At this stage, this will create a linked Google Sheet, automatically populated with every response submitted to your form. After this, any new responses will continue to update in this spreadsheet in real time as they come in. Keep in mind, once a response is deleted from the Responses tab in Forms, it will also be removed from the linked spreadsheet, so be careful before deleting anything you may need later. Finally, go back to the Responses tab and confirm you can review all submitted answers correctly. And that's it. If this guide helped you view responses on Google Forms, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.